The 9mm Luger is a famous centerfire handgun cartridge, and it sure earned its place at the top. Handguns chambered in 9mm Luger come in handy for different purposes, ranging from concealed carry to competition shooting. 9mm Luger pistols offer immense value, and it's almost impossible not to come in contact with them if you're well into guns and firearms. They're versatile, creating a lasting good impression. There's more to 9mm Luger pistols than just size and design. Their performances are formidable. Accuracy and reliability are the backbone of their existence. We'll take a few minutes to explore the best 9mm pistols on the market. These ones stand out for being the best among the best, and that's what makes them worth looking into. Before we get into it though, do well by subscribing to our channel for amazing content such as this. As a subscriber, you get to know all that's going on in the firearms industry, as we're sure to bring you exclusive updates. Don't forget to turn on notifications for all of our videos. Ready? Now let's explore the best 9mm Luger pistols. Number 8. Wesson 501. The Wesson 501 is a reliable modern pistol that deserves its place in the list of top 9mm Luger pistols. The Wesson 509 boasts an economic grip with an excellent fit for most hands. Its low bore axis also helps control recoil, making follow-up shots faster and more accurate. The Wesson 509 is built to last with a durable steel slide and polymer frame. It also features a fully ambidextrous slide stop and magazine release, making it comfortable and easy to use for left-handed shooters. The Wesson 509 is built to withstand the elements. Its stainless steel slide is corrosion resistant, while its polymer frame is durable and weather resistant. This means you can trust your pistol to perform in any environment, whether it's raining, snowing, or extreme temperatures. Number 7. Springfield XDM. The Springfield XDM is another exceptional 9mm Luger pistol. The Springfield XDM features an impressive capacity of up to 19 plus 1 rounds, giving you plenty of firepower for self-defense or competition shooting. The XDM features a soft grip texture that provides excellent control without being too abrasive. Its grip angle also resembles that of a 1911, making it comfortable for those used to that platform. The XDM is known for its exceptional accuracy thanks to its match-grade barrel and fiber optic front sight. The pistol also features an adjustable rear sight, allowing you to fine-tune your aim for maximum precision. The XDM is available in various finishes, including stainless steel, black melanite, and flat dark earth. The melanite finish is particularly tough and corrosion resistant, making it an ideal choice for harsh environments. Number 6. Walther PPQ. This pistol is a favorite among shooters for its outstanding trigger and comfortable grip. The PPQ's trigger is one of the smoothest and most predictable on the market. Its crisp break and short reset make it a favorite among competitive shooters and hobbyists. The PPQ's accuracy is legendary thanks to its cold hammer-forged barrel and finely tuned trigger. It's often praised for being one of the most accurate pistols in its class. The PPQ features an intuitive grip design that conforms to your hand, providing a natural and comfortable grip angle. It also comes with interchangeable back straps, allowing you to customize the grip to fit your hand perfectly. The PPQ's standard capacity magazine holds 15 rounds of 9mm ammunition, giving you plenty of firepower for most situations. The magazine also features a slight curve that aids in reliable feeding and makes it easy to grip and manipulate. Number 5. Heckler Koch VP9. This pistol is renowned for its superb engineering and innovative features. The VP9's grip features a unique adaptive grip system which allows you to adjust the grip to fit your hand perfectly. You can choose from 3 different grip sizes and 4 different back straps, making the VP9 one of the most customizable pistols on the market. The VP9 features a safe and reliable striker-fired mechanism with a comfortable trigger pull and short reset for quick follow-up shots. The VP9 comes with 3 dot sights, which provide excellent visibility in all lighting conditions. The sights are also adjustable for windage and elevation, allowing you to fine-tune your accuracy to suit your preferences. The VP9 is available in many models, including the VP9 Tactical, which features a threaded barrel for attaching a suppressor, and the VP9 SK, a subcompact version for concealed carry. Number 4. Smith & Wesson M&P 9. The Smith & Wesson M&P 9 is a pistol that combines reliability, versatility, and value in one package. It's available in various configurations, including full-size, compact, and shield versions, catering to different shooting needs. The full-size version is popular for duty use and target shooting, while the compact version is ideal for concealed carry. The M&P 9 is designed with simplicity in mind. The controls are intuitive and easy to manipulate, even for shooters with smaller hands. The M&P 9 features a 4-inch barrel that provides exceptional accuracy at close and intermediate ranges. The barrel is made from high-quality stainless steel and features a match-grade crown, ensuring consistent accuracy shot after shot. The M&P 9 comes with a standard 17-round magazine, which gives you plenty of firepower for most self-defense or competition scenarios. The M&P 9 can also accept higher capacity magazines for additional firepower. Number 3. CZ75. The CZ75 is a classic 9mm Luger pistol that has stood the test of time, earning a reputation for reliability, accuracy, and user-friendliness. The CZ75 is renowned for its ergonomic grip, which provides excellent purchase and control. Its slim profile makes it comfortable to hold and easy to conceal, while its stainless steel frame offers a solid foundation for accurate shooting. The CZ75 features a cold hammer forged barrel that's finely tuned for precision. Its double-action, single-action trigger is smooth and predictable, with a crisp break and short reset. The hammer also provides a positive indication of the pistol's status, allowing you to safely carry it with a round in the chamber. The CZ75 stainless steel frame and slide are built to withstand years of use and abuse. Number 2. Beretta 92FS. The Beretta 92FS pistol has a rich history and legendary reputation. It's the standard issue sidearm of the US military, having replaced the 1911 in 1985. This gives it a rich history and a proven track record in the field. The Beretta 92FS features a compact design that's easy to grip and control. It comes with a standard 15-round magazine, which provides ample firepower for most situations. The pistol can also accept higher capacity magazines for additional firepower. The Beretta 92FS features a unique open slide design that allows the user to visually check the pistol status without having to pull the slide back. This is an important safety feature that enables the user to check the pistol status safely without endangering themselves or others. Number 1. Glock 19. The Glock 19 is one of the most popular 9mm Luger pistols on the market. The Glock 19 striker fire design is known for its simplicity and reliability. Its compact size and excellent balance make it suitable for various roles, including concealed carry, home defense, and law enforcement duty. The Glock 19 standard 15-round magazine provides ample firepower, while its compact size makes it easy to conceal. The Glock 19's polymer frame and stainless steel slide offer a lightweight, durable platform that can withstand years of use. Its simple design makes it easy to operate even for shooters with little experience. The pistol has few external controls, which reduces the chances of accidental discharge. The Glock 19's popularity has led to a wide range of aftermarket parts and accessories, including custom triggers, barrels, and sights. And that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks a lot for joining us for discussing the top 9mm Luger pistols. We hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. Remember, choosing the right pistol is a personal decision based on fit, feel, and intended use. If you have any experiences with these or other 9mm Luger pistols, please share them in the comments down below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and discussions on firearms, and make sure to share this video with your friends and fellow shooters.